2018 Fiat 500 litres review. The 500 litres is Fiat's roomiest model, but various shortcomings greatly diminish its appeal. Compact crossover SUVs and wagons are only concerned with extracting as often passenger and cargo room from an inherently small package. Generally, style rarely is important in this price and utility-conscious class. The 2018 Fiat 500 litres bucks convention by wrapping its roomy cabin in the body. Seems like a supersized version from the Fiat 500 city car. The uniquely Italian design brings a little flair to the conservative class, and 2018 model's new back and front fascias perform an updated look when compared with previous model years. Aside in the exterior design, however, there isn't much reason to obtain the 500 litres over one in the other compelling choices in their class. Significant drawbacks such as a harsh ride quality, uncomfortable seats, compromised outward visibility and overall poor construction. Fiat offers another small crossover, the 500X, and the superior choice. The 500X doesn't offer all the interior space, yet it's more enjoyable they are driving, carries a more upscale interior and provides you the choice of all-wheel drive. Though the 2018 Fiat 500 litres isn't a terrible car rolling around in its own right, we propose going which has a competing wagon, hatchback or crossover SUV instead. What's new? The Fiat 500 litres gets to be a mild refresh for 2018. It includes revised back and front styling, a regular parking brake lever as well as a revised center console, a rear view camera as well as a new 7-inch touchscreen using the newest 2Connect infotainment system as standard. The trekking trim's new Urbana appearance package adds black wheels and mirror caps, plus a black painted roof. The entry-level Pop is a nice good deal, considering its low base price and ample features list. But heck your range-topping lounge. It doesn't cost excessive more and adds niceties, for example leather upholstery, heated seats and navigation. True, you may get most of that stuff from the mid-tier trekking, however the lounge will be less expensive if you would like the trekking using the popular equipment package that's standard within the lounge. For these reasons, the lounge is our pick inside 500 litres lineup. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Fiat 500 litres is really a Ford or compact wagon that competes against a compact group of like-minded wagons and hatchbacks, and also some compact crossovers. Fiat offers it in 3 trim levels, the Camp Pop, the mid-level trekking as well as the loaded-up lounge. Every Fiat 500 litres is powered by the turbocharged 1.4-litre 4-cylinder engine, 160 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque that powers the top wheels by using a 6-speed automatic transmission. The base-level Pop includes 16-inch alloy wheels, daytime running lights, heated mirrors, tinted windows, remote locking and unlocking, a rear-view camera, AC, cruise control, height-adjustable front seats, a leather-wrapped tilt-and telescoping tyre, 6040 split-folding rear seats that slide fore and aft, Bluetooth, a 7-inch touch-screen, along with a 6-speaker sound system with 2 USB ports. The first is charge-only and smartphone compatibility via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The popular equipment group adds rear parking sensors, dual-zone climate control, Tow-away power lumbar adjustment for your driver. The trekking also adds manual lumbar with the passenger with an auto-dimming rear view mirror. The Pop's premium group includes those features plus satellite radio, a navigation system as well as a 7-speaker Beats audio system. Stepping approximately the trekking level adds 17-inch wheels, fog lights, unique body panels and trim having a rugged theme, LED ambient interior lighting, leather upholstery, heated front seats, a rear seat armrest plus the Beats audio system, navigation and satellite radio from your premium group package. It is also available together with the popular equipment group. The top trim lounge equips the 500 litres with 17-inch alloy wheels having a painted finish, chrome exterior mirrors and the body accents, as well as the contents on the popular equipment group. A panoramic sunroof, matte black finish wheels, an extra tyre, and colour combinations that match the top and exterior mirrors is also available options, according to trim level. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which might be fundamentally similar. The S within this review depend on our full test from the 2015 Fiat 500 litres tracking turbo 1.4 litres inline 4, 6-speed automatic, FWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the latest 500 litres has brought some revisions, including a new infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility for 2018. Our findings remain broadly applicable for this year's 500 litres, however. The engine produces only adequate power, the brakes are grabby, and handling is unremarkable. As a result, overall drivability is poor. Acceleration. The automatic transmission offers manual control and responds intuitively in parking lots and around the highway alike. In performance testing, the 500 litres posted 0.60 miles per hour duration of 8.5 seconds, which can be an average due to this class. Braking. The 500 litres lacks stability and panic stops and wiggles considerably laterally. It's not unsafe. It isn't confidence-inspiring. It required 122 feet to quit from 60 miles per hour within our testing, that's average. Pedal solution is inconsistent in typical use. Steering. Though the steering in all fairness precise, the Fiat's tyre commands a tall vehicle with low grip limits. Quick steering inputs are met with plenty of lean plus a sense that turning rapidly isn't a 500 litres strength. Handling. You can hustle the 500 litres without it being unsafe, nonetheless it isn't rewarding or quick reacting. The limits are modest and trigger predictable and a steer that this driver can't correct easily. Stability control intervention is aggressive and poorly executed. Drivability. The 500 litres doesn't exhibit the main drivability gaffes while using traditional 6-speed automatic the way it did together with the dual-clutch automatic produced before 2015. But it's still never an authentic pleasure to operate a vehicle due to the engine's modest, non-linear power delivery. Comfort. Though it could manage short trips well, the 500 litres isn't a confident or comfortable road tripper. Its stiff ride and hard seats bottoms more fit into a poor selection for journeys lasting greater than an hour. Seat comfort. The front seats are highly adjustable, but an excellent outward view demands a wholly upright seating position, which hurts comfort. The seat bottoms, both front and back, can be extremely hard. The rear seat backs are rather upright. Ride comfort. The 500LS ride comfort feels unrefined within the real world. Fears ample vertical motion over even small imperfections. Rough roads create vibrations through the structure, including the controls. Most competitors are better. Noise and vibration. Both wind noise and tire noise find their way in the cabin more frequently than they will. Coarse surfaces and crosswinds pose real problems. Engine noise isn't too loud in normal conditions but tend to be burdensome at high RPM. Interior. The 500LS double-roofed pillar design inhibits quarter-angle visibility in all directions. The rear seats don't fold completely flat, though the movable rear shelf compensates the difference. Even though this is undoubtedly an economically priced car, materials feel below par. is useful. The trip computer button's location at the end from the wiper stalk is odd, but large air conditioning knobs, legible displays, and logical keeping most controls increase the risk for 500 litres very easy to operate. Getting and jetting out. The doors lack obvious detents but offer good having access to the seats, which might be at a convenient height. The door sills are wide, and grab handles are supplied above each door. The rear seats slide fore and aft and tumble forward, nevertheless they curiously don't fold flat. Roominess. Because your roof is quite high, there is a feeling of openness. Even so, long-to-sewed rear passengers will use up all your headroom when the optional sunroof is installed. Visibility. We appreciate the look idea of double roof pillars, however in practice you'll find 4 pillars both front and rear, for you could be just 2. The standard rear view camera and optional rear parking sensors ease anxiety when it's in reverse. Quality. Inconsistent panel gaps, a lot less than stellar paint, and below average fit and take care of inside hurt the 500 LS score. Most competitors feel good from in the driver's seat. Many controls feel hollow and give an impression of quality. Utility. The 500 litres is actually roomy, with cargo space of 68 cubic feet and behind the seat space of 21.3 cubic feet. Small item storage is okay, with decent size cup holders, nevertheless the door pockets and front bin are underwhelming.